guys, it's your girl Sandy and welcome to my channel. So as you read by the title, today we are reviewing a Hair Majesty hair by DJ ZINHLE. So let's get right into the video. I don't want to talk too much. I just want to see the products because I have not seen the products, guys. I have not seen what I bought. I've been waiting for I think 3 days to show you guys because I have not seen, so I want you to have the same experience of the wig because this is my first time seeing the wig and it is your first time seeing the wig too. So the hair that I got is called MBALI. Yes, it is a curly wig that I have been dying to own, and DJ ZINHLE, you know, was one of the only companies that actually have that specific hair that I wanted, the specific volume that I saw. This is on pictures, by the way. So yeah, I am going to review the hair right now. I did also purchase something else, styling comb. And guys, I don't know, I need a drink. I need a drink. I did open the iron. I did use the iron, and let's start with the negatives and then we'll move along to the positives, hopefully, because I haven't seen the wig. I haven't opened the wig. So this is actually the wig that I got. Still sealed, guys, sealed. Okay, still sealed, but I did purchase the hot comb from Hair Majesty, and I have to say I do have a negative review on this particular product because, guys, I don't know, due to the price, I was hoping for something that was very hot. I was hoping for something that was going to like give me that finish, a bond straight type of finish on my bobs and my straight wigs, but unfortunately I did not get the results that I was hoping for. So I would not recommend. I don't know. I need a drink. Yeah, this was 650 rands, and fortunate enough I did get a discount, so I got this iron at, let's see, I got this iron for 487 rands, but the original price is 650 rands. So I am a bit disappointed by the hair, honestly, because it is not hot enough. I was hoping for something that was really hot to give me that finish, that bond straight finish. You guys understand, you know, when that bob is like moving like that, but no, I didn't get that. So yeah, it is, maybe it's my bad, this is on my part, maybe, because it is written on the box that it is 400 watts and the voltage is 110 to 240. So yeah, I don't think it's worth 650 rands. I once purchased the same iron at TIK TOK and that was the worst experience because this one was even worse. I think I got it for 300 rands, and this one, guys, it was warm, not even warm, lukewarm. So yeah, I was hoping, I had high hopes for, yeah, Hair Majesty, but yeah, no. But let us not dwell on the negative. Let us go into the wig review. Okay. Okay, so this is the packaging. Nice, very nice. Okay. So it is inside a net. Feels very light. Scared. It feels light. I wasn't expecting it to feel light, but let's see. Oh, it does have a strap which is great because I do have a small head, but yeah, I'm happy. Wow, guys. Guys. Wow. Guys, I'm so excited because guys, I've been fishing for this. I've been looking for this, guys. Okay, let me collect myself. It is so okay. So there is an option when you're buying. There's an option of customization. So I did grab that option, and they bleach the knots for you and they plug the wig for you. So the wig is pre-plugged. It is pre-plugged. Doesn't seem to be, but yeah, it might have to go in and do some more, but I do like what I'm seeing. Guys, like I don't even know what I'm feeling right now, but anyways, I'm going to show you guys how the wig fit. Wow. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing, guys. This is pretty. The hair is not shedding, minimal shedding, but the hair is nice. The quality is good. Guys, let me just put on this wig. Let me just slap it on and come back and show you guys how the wig looks on. So let me go ahead and try it on, and then I'll come back and show you guys the results. Wow, guys, wow. Hey. Wow, like I have no words right now, guys. This is beautiful. By the way, I did not cut the lace yet because I'm still trying to, you know, fan over the wig when the wig is just giving. Whew, DJ ZINHLE, thank you so much. This is amazing. The wig is giving what it's supposed to give, and what you see is that you get it feels very light. So I was a bit skeptical at first, but I like the fact that it does not have weight, so it doesn't, especially in summer, it doesn't really mess with you like that. So thank you so much for this amazing wig. The curls, I've got my spray bottle, but I don't even need to spray the hair to define the curls because the curls are defined. Oh, this is yummy. This is superb. This is amazing. I will give this wig a 9 out of 10. Reason why I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 is because I thought the wig was going to be pre-plugged, and I don't know, guys. I don't know. It doesn't seem pre-plugged to me, and now I'm not even sure if they did bleach the knots, because I did put, I think 300 rands, how much, I'm not sure, a couple of hundreds on top just for them to customize the wig for me. So that's why I'm a bit skeptical to cut the lace right now for you guys, but I will try and add a clip where I'm, you know, done doing the wig. I'm not really plucking it because it takes time, but I'll try to cut the lace. I'm still hesitating on whether I should do it or not, but for now I'm just taking it in when this wig is giving. This is amazing. So I will make a review in the future to see if it sheds or not, because you can't really tell when a wig is new if it sheds. But I will come back and the volume, guys, density, like the density of the hair, the density is amazing. I'm not sure if it's 180, 200, 100. I'm not really sure. She did not say, but the volume is amazing. And no, actually, let me give it 8 out of 10, because another point that I'm subtracting is the fact that, guys, this is this wig is supposed to be 18 inches, but is giving the vibes of 14. I'm not sure. I don't know, but I thought it was going to be there, but I'm still happy. But if they can fix those 2 things in jail, that'll be perfect. But thank you so much again. Shout out to DJ ZINHLE for this beautiful piece. I am definitely buying another wig. Thank you guys for watching the video. One thing before I go, in terms of delivery, they did a good job. It took about 3 days for the wig to come. Unfortunately for mine, it took 5 days, because I did order on Thursday, Friday, and then it's only 3 working days. So keep in mind, it's 3 working days. So Saturday, Sunday, nothing. So I got it on Monday morning, guys. 6 a.m. the guy was texting me, I go to, hey, my sister, like, I'm coming to your house, I wanted to deliver. They kept their word, and they did come in 3 working days. So delivery on point, quality on point, volume, density on point. I mean, the wig is a bit costly, right, on the pricey side, but it is worth it. So I do recommend Hair Majesty to you guys. Yes, the wig is pricey, but it is worth your coins, guys. It is worth your coins. It is worth your coins. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me try to insert a clip where I have styled the wig. I'm sorry, but no. Oh, and another thing, so I do have a small head. So when I was ordering the wig, there was an option of small, medium, and large. So I wanted to say small, but the recommended size is medium, but it does feel a bit tight. So if you have a small head, you might try using the option in medium instead, unless if you have a really small head. But if you have a medium-sized head, go for the large. It feels very secure, not too tight for me, but it does feel tight. If I had a bigger head, then that would have been a problem. So I feel like, yeah, the length was a bit njanyana, but otherwise everything is Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next video.